Are you driving the bus? Can you say beep beep?
Beep beep.
Bring the bus over here.
Push the bus.
Yeah, wow. Hey, Evan. Can you say hi, Aunt Sarah?
Hi.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Should we call AAA? Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Can you get the bus back up?
Bus out.
Oh no, I think you have to use the emergency exit. Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Uncle. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Are you gonna make it out alive?
Yeah.
Okay. Just remain calm.
Me come. Me too come. Hi. 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 It's fast.
Can you say yay? Say yay. Can you fix the bus? Fix the bus.
No.
Yay.